Hey guys, welcome to a new tech up. We're gonna have a look at JBL Live 400 BT. Let's look at the features. It's coming with the Google Assistant, built-in Alexa. You have 24-hour of charge, built-in mic, ambient sound, and it is a touchpad. And you have 15 minutes of charge. You can use it for 2 hours. And it is also coming with the audio 3.5 audio jack, micro USB, audio jack. Ups, volumes down, you have power button, you have audio jack, Bluetooth, headphone S on. Let's give it a try. It is a tight fit, don't fall off. It's a JBL, so you know the sound quality. They do make really good for an affordable price. Fiber heads, and you have to fold them, very lightweight, and it's a very tight ear fits, and you can extend them. Depends on you. So it's coming a little bit noise isolation because of the earbuds. It's coming the leather and it's a tight fit, so that's giving you noise isolation. Second thing is that because I have the JBL 60T, the older one, paid around £100, but the noise cancellation, it wasn't that, even though it said it was a noise cancellation, but it's have a very clear bass, but noise cancellation was a bit off. But I found this, even though it is not a noise cancellation headphone, coming with a noise isolation, much better sound compared to the older model. I really like this headphone. For over years, smaller headphone, are they clear? Definitely yes. If you're going to use it for sports, this is not going to be an ideal headphone because it's going to absorb all your sweat and water, so it's not going to be ideal for sports. But for these regular use, you can use them for journeys. You can use them. They are quite good quality wise, the longer battery life. I will leave a link below for Amazon. Check out if you are interested, and see you on the next video.